AI understands the entire world, but there's one world it hasn't seen yet. The terabytes of video and audio sitting on your computer. Imagine what happens when it can. Clipto MCP lets Claude, Codex, and other agents understand everything Clipto has indexed on your device. Every frame, every word, every moment. If you edit voiceover videos, you know the grind. Hunting through hours of footage for the right B-roll, line after line. Now, just describe the idea. The agent understands the story, builds a shot list, and asks Clipto MCP for the right moments. Server halls, assembly lines, city lights. Clipto finds the right footage for every beat, then assembles it into a video. Going a step further, it can even generate an editable project file. Open the timeline and make it yours. Every clip, cut, title, and audio track stays editable. And it's not just B-roll. Turn a 3-hour podcast into clips. Find a decision buried across months of meetings. Build a story from years of footage. Your local memory multiplied by agent intelligence. And this is just the beginning. Let agents understand the media on your computer. Clipto MCP.